So for you to understand what it is and what to look for in yourself, but also in your clients, in your participants. So breathing through the mouth is one of the big traits of dysfunctional breathing. So either exhaling through the mouth or inhaling, that's still considered as dysfunctional breathing. Upper chest movement. So when we actually can see ourselves breathing through the chest, even though the chest is puffed up and we can feel that there is lots of air, it is still not natural way of breathing. Also lots of visible movement. So that's chest, neck and shoulders. And basically you can see yourself breathing very, very deeply, very hard. So hearing yourself breathing during rest, it's also considered as dysfunctional breathing trait. Regular sniffing, regular yawning throughout the day. So even, if person yawns from time to time, it's okay. But if they actually yawn many times during the day, it is something to look into. And definitely we can assess the breathing pattern of the person who yawns a lot. And also taking large breaths prior to talking. So when you might hear other people or yourself taking that big breath every time they want to say something, you probably can see that this is very hyped up and very lots of hyperventilation happening. So the hyperventilation is a big, big topic and very, very crucial to what I will be talking today about. Because hyperventilation means that we're breathing more, we're over breathing. So when the individual is breathing in excess metabolic requirement of the body at the time, that's considered hyperventilation. Or needs 4 to 6 liters of air per minute. And many people on daily basis, they breathe twice as much. So 10 to 12 liters per minute. And that's during rest. And that's definitely too much. So, like I mentioned before, is it really bad thing to breathe more air in? Because, the logic says that if we take more air in, we oxygenate our body better. However, that's a bit misleading because with what's happening in our physiology, it's actually opposite to what we need to achieve, which is the better oxygenation of the body. So overbreathing reduces the delivery of oxygen to tissues and organs.